Here we are, an awesome home in Darch, offering sophistication and luxurious in mind. Built with sophistication and luxurious living, I'm Kenny Yu from Sell This Property. Welcome to 63 Landsdale Road in Darch. A perfectly crafted custom home of huge living space with 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom and a theatre room to inspire. At the heart of the home is this spacious open living area which is made to entertain, and a stunning kitchen, custom cabinetry, stone bench top of the line appliances and an enormous pantry. The massive master bedroom is lavish, with a spacious walk-in closet and a 5-star ensuite. Need more space? There is a thoughtfully fitted theatre room where you definitely enjoy curling up watching a movie or two with family and friends. The other accommodation consists of 3 large bedrooms at the rear of the home, served by the gorgeous family bathroom. Your living extends outdoor to the alfresco and a huge undercover area equipped with gas barbecue and a custom-built charcoal rotisserie. A highly desired power workshop complements this home, great for buyers who enjoy weekend DIY or home projects. 63 Landsdale Road sits close to private and public schools, sporting facilities, local shops, restaurant, and surrounded with a host of amenities. I'm incredibly proud to showcase this home. If you'd like further information or you'd like to book in the private viewing, feel free to call or text me on 042270 2345. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.